Organizer. Glass tray organizer. This one. The color of the plastic baskets are mostly in mocha. Wood covers, pitcher, green containers, pitchers, white, spoon organizer, spoon organizer, soap organizer, 65 years, like tabo. Look at this. So nice, this issue organizer. So you put your shoes here. Basket, laundry basket in mocha color. Beautiful. There's bicycle, kids bicycle, kids motorbike. Mocha. Storage box for food organizer. Tupperware set in violet. I love the colors, guys. So beautiful colors, the violets. And 3 pieces. Everything on this one. Salad bowls. What else here? Salad bowls. Juicer. This chair. Beautiful chair. I sit down on the chair. Swing chair. Swing chair. Nice laundry basket in mocha and chocolate colors. Sige tawag ani siya nga set kuan gani kaning red reclining set reclining chair. Nice ang ayong swing chair. Remote juicer. Folding bed. There is folding bed, single folding bed. But I like this. Na siya tabo, wala pa doon. Baldi, bucket, trash can. Over there, office chairs. Look at this office chair. This wheelchair. Look right. This office chair. For your office working chair. For office working chair, the scratch map in the box. Towel. DIY. Blouses. Knitted blouses for girls. A lot more here, bags. Stop na chair with the bodega. Oh guys, thank you so much. All stocks here at the bodega, chair bodega. Oh, the macho boy. I'm vlogging. Sige na, hey to my vlog. I'm vlogging. Hi guys. Ay, baldi pa dyan. Baldi. White. Palanggana. Siya, for your kids. Stroller kids. This one. This fruit tray. Green and red and brown fruit tray. Blue. Dish. Mocha dish. Dish rock. Mocha dish rock. We're going downstairs. Selamat deh. The Chill Beauty Products. Skincare. Bigyan niya later. Yan, wala pa kay ano. Skincare. Chill. Next. Lagi. Balik na ako pag ano. Chill products. Namanggit ko ang house. Mga comforters, curtains. Wallpapers. Thanks for watching, guys. Chill Beauty products.